Welcome back to our video on how to score high in computer science. In this video, we will discuss some advanced strategies to help you truly master the subject. One of the most crucial aspects of computer science is problem solving. To excel in this field, you must sharpen your ability to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts. This will enable you to effectively devise solutions step by step. Another key skill is debugging. No matter how proficient you are, you will inevitably encounter errors in your code. Debugging is the process of identifying and fixing these errors. By becoming skilled at this, you will save yourself significant time and frustration. Additionally, remember to practice writing efficient code. Efficiency not only saves time but also enhances the performance of your programs. Focus on optimizing algorithms, reducing complexity, and utilizing appropriate data structures. Furthermore, collaboration is essential in computer science. Engage in discussions and group projects with your peers. This will expose you to different perspectives and ideas, allowing you to broaden your understanding of the subject. Lastly, don't forget to stay updated with the latest advancements and technologies in the field. Computer science is constantly evolving, and by keeping yourself informed, you will have an edge over others. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly improve your performance in computer science. Always remember that practice and dedication are key components in achieving high scores.